shooting this video because I want to just go real quick how I'm making cash flow organically through TikTok mostly. And it's so simple. And I'm going to give you a little bit of tips on TikTok and how you can replicate stuff. So currently, this is what the business model I'm using, okay? So it just is a super simple setup. What I'm doing is in TikTok, I'm giving a call to action, like, hey, you should go here. And I do this in my stories as on Instagram and Facebook as well. Anything to get in people's faces and constantly be offering something them to get them out of financial hardships, because it's tough out there. TikTok, okay, I will give them a call to action, and I shot a short little YouTube video you can actually go check out if you want. You'll have to either get on TikTok and find me on there, or just type in Wyatt Musser on YouTube and see if you can dig around for me. Because it's a really short video, and I don't have hardly any followers. But the reason for that YouTube video altogether is because of this. So what I do is I give them an ultimatum. So watch the YouTube video to learn more, or start faster and head to my link. So what I'm hoping to do is, instead of send people to YouTube, just having the YouTube link there and knowing that they can educate themselves helps me get credibility. So they're like, oh, this guy has a created YouTube channel. So instead, I'm hoping that they'll want to learn faster, like any person that is driven to create more cash flow, and they just go to the link on my TikTok. So they click on TikTok, and I'm out of focus, okay. And they go to what's called an opt-in page, and that is where they put in their name and email information. I guess I can use the cursor instead of my finger. So they go into this opt-in page, and it puts their email address and their first name into a automated email system. Of course, they have to accept the emails, but then after that, it sends them to a sales page where they pay $7 to start their 15-day affiliate marketing journey. So I have this Facebook symbol here because this exact video is another way to flow traffic into an opt-in page. And I'm just being transparent with you because, you can't get money without other people giving you money. So you have to work on this stuff. So, of course I'm going to offer you it only costs $7 to get into this 15-day challenge, which I'll be showing you here in a minute. But the main point for that is so you can actually make a lot more money. It has nothing to do with me. I have multiple flows of income. I'm not worried about myself. I'm more worried about other people that only go to a 9-to-5 job and literally have no other source of income. And either that or their other sources are not working for them. My Beachbody was not showing me the numbers that I wanted it to, and that's okay. So I went out and found something that I think is way more simple, because all I have to do is make a call to action, send and give them an ultimatum. They go here to here to here. Boom, they make a sale. They start educating, learning how affiliate marketing works and how they can make, $1,000 per click in these. So let me explain the opt-in page and the sales page. Let's go over here. This is stuff that you're taught, literally spoon-fed. So when you go to my page, actually let's just go to it on here. They'll go here. This stuff was literally a copy and paste that they give you, except I put in some of my own information. And this gives them 2 chances to click this. So they'll click this, and they'll put in their name. So what that'll do is it submits it, then they're in my automated email list. So then the next thing that is going to pop up is this page. This is the bridge page before the sales page, I guess. Did I not add that in? Yeah, so they go from an opt-in to a bridge page. I should have put that right here, but it's just one more page. This YouTube video is small on desktop. It doesn't really matter the size, but you can go through here, and it's just me explaining how it works and the opportunity at hand. This is also some testimonial videos. These are copied and pasted in. So they go directly through here, and it shows them how they can make, $5,000 an hour. Or wait, oh, that's for his personal charging of stuff. But this is a way for you to make, some real cash. So go to here. So what you're going to see in this page, this again is a copy and paste, is all the things that you get. So this is the 15-day challenge, which was the next part I was going to cover. So, oh, and here's another offer. You can get in for $3.50 right now instead of spending $7. So it's even cheaper. You just put in your email, sign up for it. They'll send you an email and you'll get the offer. Okay, so the first day, you get the #1 secret to starting and scaling a high ticket business. So people that have no idea what affiliate marketing is just promoting other people's products. So I, as an affiliate marketer, promote learning affiliate marketing through education. And it's a way to use this business model. So the core 4 are 4 different things that are I consider them pain points of what people really struggle with that you can, create an income off of. Those will be explained more in there when you'll have more time. So this is how they literally build this stuff. And see, I have this bridge page and these other pages. Those aren't even linked up. Those don't even work. And don't get overwhelmed. It is way simpler than you think, and that is why it is put out in days. That way you can learn a little bit per day and get through the whole thing. So they build these things in 30 minutes and show you exactly how it's done. Then this to me is super important. How to master the inner game of wealth. So a lot of times we have this low income mindset, and that's because most of us are raised poor, and we just don't have much education when it comes to money. But this is about getting your mind right and about really learning how to make real income and how to make it passively. Once you have the systems in place, you just make a TikTok video and you send them over. If that's what you want to do, you don't have to show your face ever. There are other ways, and they tell you the list of how you can do it. You can do it through Facebook ads, Google ads, you can do it through Instagram ads, you can do it through Facebook groups, you can do it through Facebook posts, stories. The list goes on. There's even more than I even know, but I'm literally just organically working off of TikTok right now. And earlier today, I was out shopping and made $20. So I didn't even do anything. It was a system I put in place 2 weeks ago. This system you're seeing. So the big day, you're going to meet with an advisor, and the advisor is going to talk to you about your business plan and how to get that set up, who your target market is, who you want to help, who you want to serve. I want to serve people that don't have much money, okay? And this is where you're going to get a larger offer to join in, and they're going to even teach you different ways to get a little bit of cushion to join in and really hop in here and just start making this money back. So then after that, you got questions, they've got answers. Most people, once they opt in to these, developing your business plan, and they spend the money on it, they realize that, hey, I got some questions. So they go through a lot of the FAQs. That way it's kind of put out there for you. So when should I quit my job? When you're building this full time. And there's a guy that talks on there that does affiliate marketing, and he talked about quitting the military to do this full time. Okay, and then what are high income skills and why do you need them? So you can kind of read these. You don't need me to read these all to you, but literally spoon-fed all this information. So when you go up here to the top, you're going to watch this video and you're going to be given this offer. You can click here and get started instead of watching it if you want. I can't do this because I'm already a member, so it doesn't show you what comes next, but it's an offer page for the $3.50. So I can go ahead and go to it through this since I'm already a part, and you can see that they're unlocked. So it goes through day one and all the days, and they even give you like assignments they want you to do, and none of this takes long, but it's really just showing you what can happen for you and how amazing it is. There are different things you can be in the Marketers Club. There's a Facebook group, which once I posted my first commission in there, I had so much positive feedback, and it really boosts you up that way. Business blueprint to start just how, I mean, the business blueprint to me is amazing because when you go here, literally start to finish, everything is here. I mean, they teach you every single thing of what you want to do. It's just constant education, constant information, and it's amazing. Where's the one? And like over here is my advisor. His name's James Jordan. He's amazing. I'm super glad I got to know him. This is his interview with him and the main guy, David Sharp, talking. Because they're all down to earth and really good people. And Dave Sharp will, he's the lead. He's the big boss in all this. But he will comment on your stuff. I mean, he's very in tune with his group. All right, so affiliate marketing business blueprint, which is found in here. Affiliate marketing. This is if you want to set up exactly what I'm doing. This is done by Steph Perez. She's amazing and a great teacher. She has a little bit about herself. She quit being a nurse to do this full time. And, she's created a 6-figure business. I'm guaranteeing it's 7-figure. And she has her own YouTube channel and all this stuff. But literally step by step, she's going to go through every single detail. These are the places where you can make money if you don't want to do, sell affiliate marketing itself. If you want to sell products, she goes through each single step, spoon feeds you. And the way I did it was I watched exactly what she did on my phone and copied it on my laptop. And that's how I got these and how I got all these pages set up. So I have one last thing I want to show you, and that is the email autoresponder that you opt into when you put your name and your email address. This is very amazing. So this is a site called Aweber, and they show you how to sign up. They have great customer service. I had one technical issue, and I reached out to my advisor, James Jordan, and he led me and helped me fix it, no problem. So what happens here when they subscribe and they agree? See, these are pending people. These people did not say that they would opt in to my emails. The ones that did, and you're always going to get more that don't subscribe, and that's okay. I've got a whole list of them, and it adds up over time. So you get these, what are they? Campaigns. Okay, so these emails, and there's, which thing is this for? I've got a couple campaigns going on, multiple flows, right? I'm working on a amazing keto thing to lose weight, and it's personalized. So this one, okay, it goes through, and there's 25 of these emails, and they are literally copied and pasted, and they tell you exactly the point of where you should change information to customize it to yourself, to make it more your own. And you just go through there and do that. It's, spoon fed. So I'm going to leave you with this. I encourage you to check out this affiliate marketing because once the systems are in place, it works for you. When it comes to TikToks, I can always teach you more. And one big secret, if you've made it this far, is to literally go to the hashtag section of TikTok if you're on there and type in affiliate marketing, and you just copy what they do. Put your own personal spin on it. TikTok is a copying platform. People copy each other all the time. That's why there's duets and stitching and different things that you can do on there. It's built for you to copy it and make it your own at the same time. So that is a big secret, and it's really not a secret. So what I encourage you to do is, I'm going to have the link in the description of this video. I encourage you to give it a shot. Spend the $3.50 and try it out. See if it's for you. I mean, what do you got to lose? If you're here, you obviously have a reason. You see value in multiple flows of income, because the 9 to 5 is never going to make you rich, or it already would have. I love to say that statement because it's so true. Like, 9 to 5s do not make you big money. They don't. You have to create things on the side, and there's no better way to do it than to be spoon-fed all the things, and once you get it finished, it works for you. And you can just make commission. I had a viral TikTok go, okay? I had one that went viral, and all I did was talked about how to have Target pay you instead of you pay them through their affiliate program, and I made $100 that night. And that's before they get the big offers. So it's huge. I mean, it's really endless. So think about it, but I highly encourage you, just leap in, because if you've made it this far, you're obviously interested. And if you have any questions, please leave comments. Let me know what's up. And there will be information in the description. And please like and share these things with other people. And of course, reach out. So I hope to see you very soon, and I hope to talk to you very soon. All right, bye-bye.